All right, Isn't She Lovely by Stevie Wonder. Here's our little melody. We got 9, 10, 9 on the second string, 11, 9 on the G. We're gonna do that again. We're gonna follow that with a 11 to 9 on the D string. Then we're gonna do the whole thing again. Now for our next part, we're gonna go. So that was 9, 10, 12, 12 on the second string, and then 9, 10, 12, 10. So it was, and then 9, 9, 9, 11, 9, 11. So that's 9 to big 11. And then we're gonna hit that big 11 one more time as a pickup note. And then we're gonna go big 11, 9. And the first time you're like 4 to 2. Okay, so the whole melody again was 3, 4. We'll do that again. Add the bigger string. Now the next part, 9, 10, 12, 12. 9, 10, 12, 10. 9, 9, 9, 11, 9, 11, 9, 11. Pickup note. Big 11, 9. Like I say, the first time, 4 to 2. Second time, you can go 5 to 4 to 2. And then we have this riff. So it's after the beat. It's like da 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 da. Okay, so that's a 9, 11, 9, 11, 9, 12, 9, 12 with 2 extra staccato hits on it there. Okay, so let's move on into the chords. Our first chord is going to be all these 9s, C sharp minor 7. Next chord is going to be F sharp 9. 8 in the bass with those same 9s. Then we're going to have a 7, 6, 7, which is like a B, 7, 9. These are like funk jazz chords kind of. And then we have the top 3 9s, which is a E major. And our strum is going to be. Okay, so it's like a, you got all these 9s. We got down, up, chicka-cha, up, chicka-cha. That's your basic thing. Down, up, you're strumming the chord, and then down, up, chicka-cha. You're doing like muted, where you just touch the strings, keep them muted. So you got chicka-cha, and then up, chicka-cha. Then switch chords, chicka-cha, chicka-cha. And then the 7, 6, 7. Okay, you could simplify that and just go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then next chord. So let's try that at kind of a slow tempo, just down strokes. And if you want to try the tricky one, down, up, chicka-cha, up, chicka-cha, you go ahead and try that with this too. So 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, we'll switch to the 8. 7, 6, 7. Try to mute that bottom string. 9s, same thing. Then all the 9s with the 8. Okay, let's try it with the strum pattern. 2, 3, 4. Okay, and in the arrangement of the song, that whole progression right there is going to go through 3 times for the intro, and then 2 more times for when he starts singing the first verse. It's kind of like a chorus, though, because he's singing that Isn't She Lovely thing. Then we're going to move to our next chords. We have We could do like a 6-6-5 to get an A major 7. You could also do 7-6-5-4. So that'd be our first chord of part B. Then our next one is going to be 4-5-5, and it's going to go to a 4-5-4. So that's kind of a raised 5 on a G sharp 7 to a regular G sharp 7. And they kind of split a measure, so it's like, or you could do it halfway like, to kind of keep it simpler. And then we have another C sharp minor 7, but we're going to do this one here. You could go back to those 9s if you want, or you could do this 6-4-5-4 one. It's closer to these other chords we were just doing. So it'd be like, and then we're back up to the 8 with the 9s, 7-6-7. But this time we're going to add an A chord, 7-6-5. And you can do your E chord here, 6-4-5-4. Of course, you could do those. That's the same chord as the C sharp minor 7. See how much they have involved with each other. So you could be doing those with like these top 9s for the E, or all the 9s for the C sharp minor 7. So let me run you through this part B. It'd be like 3, 4. So when we finish the part B chords and we have that stop on the E, that's when you have that riff. And again, that was 9-11, 9-11, 9-12, 9-12, bum, bum. Okay, so a little quick review of everything. We got the melody. And we do that twice, and then we have. Okay, and our first strum pattern again was. We'll switch. All right, Isn't She Lovely for Baritone Ukulele, Stevie Wonder. Thanks a lot for watching. Got a tab with this. We'll talk to y'all soon.